Hello everyone, my name is Manpreet Kaur and I am a student of Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalaya BCom Sam 4. Here, I would like to thank Principal Ma'am Dr. Ajay Serene who giving me such a wonderful opportunity to present my seminar, and a special thanks to our class in charge teacher who always motivate me. And my topic is brand management. And what is brand? A brand is a name, sign, or logo which distinguishes the product of one seller to the another seller. Every person using brand in their day-to-day life. Now, these are the contents which we discuss in our topic brand management. Brands, brand icons, elements of brand, features of brand, brand mark, trademark examples, brand awareness, types of brand management process, brand ambassadors, examples of brand, and conclusion. Now, firstly, we discuss about what is brand. A brand is a name, term, sign, or a symbol which distinct the product of one seller to the product of another seller. American Association defines that brand is a name, term, sign, symbol, or a logo which distinguish the product of one seller to the product of another seller. And these all are a brand which using in our day-to-day life, that WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. You everyone know about this. Now we discuss about elements of brand. There are four elements of brand: brand name, brand promise, brand personality, and brand association. Brand name. Every brand has their own name and they are using a tagline to promote their product, and every brand has their logo which distinguish their product from another one. Brand promise. Brand promising to provide a quality products to their customer. And brand personality. Brand has its own personality which distinguish from another one. Brand association, brand using color, tagline, image to distinguish their product. And now we discuss about features of brand. There are four features. Brand had its own physical quality, and it is own personality, and its own culture. And brand indirectly create relation with their customers. Now, what is brand mark? A brand mark is an element or a symbol. Example: Nike swoosh. Logo की example Yahoo, and character की keyboard, and a sound की Intel Inside Sound, which provide visual and auditory recognition of the product. Now, what is trademark? Trademark provide legal protection to the seller that once their brand mark is registered, which is not used by another one. Now, what are the examples of trademark? Company slogan Built for Tot, which is registered under a federal registration number and which is not used by another one. Company or a brand name, Ford or federal registration number is that, and which is not used by another one. Product or service name Amazon or Kindle, which is not used by another one. Domain name Amazon.in, and their federal number registration number is that, which is not used by another one, which is registered under a trademark. Now, what is brand awareness? Once brand awareness is that the brand are recognized by their mark easily and it is not used by another. Types of brand. There are three types of brand: personal brand, family brand, and individual brand. What is personal brand? Personal brand is those brand which is related to individual personality. For example, Abdul Kalam. Now, individual brand. Individual brand is that brand which one individual brand name is used, and another products can be produced using this one brand name. For example, Dove company selling their different products. So for example, shampoo, soap, etc. Now, family brand. A family branding is that brand which is used by whole family. For example, salt or a car. Product life cycle. Every product is passing through this product life cycle. Firstly, the product are introduced and their growth, their maturity, and their decline. Brand management process. Every single seller using the brand management process to establish their brand position in the marketing. Firstly, they identifying and establishing their brand position, then plan and implementing the brand marketing, measure and interpret brand growth, and sustain their brand equity in the marketing. Now, we will discuss about brand ambassador. Brand ambassador working as an agent of the company. They introduce a product in the marketing in the behalf of the seller. Now the current brand ambassadors are Virat Kohli. Example of brand Lakme. This is a brand which is registered under the brand name Lakme and industry personal care founded by in 1952. Founder are JRD Tata and their headquarters in India. To conclude, we can say that every seller working hard to establish their brand in the marketing and establish their separate brand in the marketing. They are using a different brand strategies to establish their brand position in the marketing. Thank you.